Welcome back to Quiz and Learn English. To improve your English speaking practice, listen and repeat after me. Opposite adjectives. Happy, sad. I'm happy. Happy, sad. I'm sad. Big, small. The elephant is big. Big, small. The mouse is small. Hot, cold. The sun is hot. Hot, cold. The snow is cold. Tall, short. The tree is tall. Tall, short. The flower is short. Full, empty. The glass is full. Full, empty. The cup is empty. Near, far. The house is near. Near, far. The mountain is far. Fast, slow. The cheetah runs fast. Fast, slow. The turtle moves slow. Open, closed. The door is open. Open, closed. The window is closed. Soft, hard. The bed is soft. Soft, hard. The floor is hard. Strong, weak. The lion is strong. Strong, weak. The kitten is weak. Clean, dirty. The shirt is clean. Clean, dirty. The shoes are dirty. Sweet, sour. The candy is sweet. Sweet, sour. The lemon is sour. Thick, thin. The book is thick. Thick, thin. The paper is thin. Day, night. It's bright in the day. day, night, but dark at night. Rich, poor. The king is rich. Rich, poor. The beggar is poor. Sharp, dull. The knife is sharp. Sharp, dull. The spoon is dull. Healthy, sick. The boy is healthy. Healthy, sick. The girl is sick. Beautiful, ugly. The butterfly is beautiful. Beautiful, ugly. The bug is ugly. Expensive, cheap. The dress is expensive. Expensive, cheap. The toy is cheap. Friendly, mean. The dog is friendly. Friendly, mean. The wolf is tall, short. The giraffe is tall. Tall, short. The cat is short.